Guys, this is the Vivor Jackhammer. This is an excellent do-it-yourself homeowner grade jackhammer. It comes with gloves, safety goggles, a mask, and 2 bits. So this is a floating handle. You can put this in any spot, and you need to check your hydraulic oil daily. It should be halfway in that sight glass. Now this takes ISO 46 hydraulic oil, just in case you're interested. It also comes with a spare set of brushes in case these wear out. And they go right here and on the other side. Install the bits, slide it in, lift up the lock, and rotate it 180 degrees, and it locks you in. So I actually got this so I can break up this brick and throw it in my RoboCan. So let's see how it works. Case also comes with wheels on it. This is going to run you about 120 bucks. This is perfect for the home. If you want one, you know what to do. Click the link in the bottom of the video.